Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two accounting software platform called Puzzle.io and Wave. So we're going to dive into it to help you compare these two platforms to pick out which part of this platform would be a best decision for you in 2025. So to get started with a quick overview, Puzzle.io is a modern accounting platform designed to startup and tech-savvy business. It combines real-time financial data, automation, and integration to provide clear, up-to-date insight for decision making. Talking about Wave on the other side, Wave is a free, user-friendly accounting software built for freelancers and small businesses. It handles core financial tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, and basic reporting. Now I'm talking about the strength and the weakness of each of this platform, one after the other. So talking about Puzzle.io, so I'm going to quickly reveal the strength and the weakness of this platform. So talking about the strength, it has a real-time financial dashboard and metric. It also has a seamless integration with a bank's Stripe, payrolls, and more. It also has an inbuilt for fast scaling business with automation at a core or at the core. Now talk about the weakness of this Puzzle.io. No ideals for freelancers or very small business. It's also still involving limited accounting features compared to legacy platform. The price may be too high for low budget users. So that's just the strength and the weakness about this Puzzle.io. Now talking about the Wave on the other side, it has a 100% free accounting invoice and recipient tracking, which is part of the advantages, which is the strength. Now it also has a simple, intuitive interface and ideal for non-accounting. Talking about the weakness of the other side, it lacks robust integration and automation. It also has a limited scalability for growing businesses and also hands-on for payment and payroll. So here's my overall conclusion. You can simply choose Puzzle.io if you want to run a startup and need a real-time financial automation and deep analytics. On the other side, you can simply choose Wave if you are a freelancer or a small business looking for a free, straightforward accounting platform with a basic covered. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.